Hi, Markus.
Hi.
I'd like to welcome you here at Exponential.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Spleenlab and Auterion are partners since a longer time. I want to ask you, just introduce yourself and what you are doing at Auterion.
All right, yeah, thank you very much. I'm CTO at Auterion, and at Auterion we built, so to say, a deep tech stack to enable autonomous operations of drones, and that really starts from the flight controller with low-level microcontroller firmware, all the way up over a mission computer with embedded Linux, ground control software, and then finally our cloud platform. And I'm overseeing the technical strategies for that.
Ah, nice. Yeah. Sounds very interesting. And Auterion and Spleenlab are partnering in various projects for a longer time. In your view, what are the major milestones within these projects? Are there projects that stand out or something like that?
Yeah, I think the one thing I would really like to highlight is the integration with a drone delivery provider, where Spleenlab used all their knowledge to integrate object detection and detection of safe landing sites in order to make their operations safer.
Ah, okay. That sounds very good. And what do you think? How long this project will need to be finished, or what we can expect when drone delivery will be in the future used in every house or here on the US market?
I think, well, the drone delivery is a huge market. I mean, it has just started. First experiences have been made. I'm seeing huge potential there. And to me, it was also, I experienced it once. It's really impressive when this drone comes in, then stops and winches down the package.
Yes.
It's truly impressive.
And what especially Auterion will do to make even the performance better on these drones? They're doing complex tasks. Will provide several AI functions in the future. What are the developments on the Auterion side?
Mm-hmm. I think where we are extremely good is we built this ecosystem, and we built the platform to work with companies like Spleenlab.
Yes.
And we're bridging this gap between companies like yours and drone manufacturers.
Yeah.
And I think this combination is going to be extremely powerful to get exactly the right solution that our customers need.
That sounds good. And we are also very happy that we have a system like Auterion where we can easily deploy our software.
Exactly. So we're in a way we are somewhat a marketplace. We have a platform now where actually companies like yours can upload and deploy their apps in order then to make drones more autonomous.
Oh, that's nice. And what are the things you are showcasing on your booth here on the Exponential?
So what we are showcasing to our customers there is how you can build and set up this whole ecosystem, and especially how it benefits the drone manufacturers, the OEMs, as well as the end customers.
That sounds nice. I will look on your booth later.
Thank you very much. Yeah, very welcome.
And overall, what is your personal motivation being in this function in Auterion, and what are your expectations for the future for trends in unmanned area aviation and things like that?
Yeah, I mean, on a personal note, for me, it all started with RC flying many years back, and in some way, the hobby became the profession.
Okay.
And that's what I'm really passionate about. It is when you develop code, and at the end of the day, you see that actually something moves and does something great.
Ah, okay.
That's what drives me and motivates me towards.
And what makes Auterion unique in this way to work and working atmosphere and things like that?
I think what makes us unique is actually now building this platform, and what excites me is to work together with so many different partners.
Okay.
And then to build a perfect solution for the end customers.
Yeah, and sorry, coming back to the trends for the future, what you see will, for example, Auterion Skynaut be more efficient, more performance? What we can expect?
Yeah, I mean that those are things that we're constantly looking into, and also work with our partners, also like you, to understand what's going to be needed.
Yeah.
And I think more on a broader topic, what's going to come is more autonomy. Because also in order to deploy drones at scale, you need to make operating them as simple as possible.
Yeah, yeah.
And I think there's a lot of work to be done. And yeah, I'm super excited to.
And what we have seen so far in the latest test results with this drone delivery project, the performance on the AI on the Skynode from Auterion is really well and really good. And so we hope that in the end, this will become a very good project for long term.
Yeah, I'm absolutely certain about that. Yeah.
Okay, so I thank you for this interview. I hope you will have a nice time here on the Exponential in Denver, and I wish you a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Markus.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay.